Hello guys, welcome to Software Defined System on Chip Development with Zynq FPGA. We are from digitronixnepali. So SDSoC, that means Software Defined System on Chip Development Tool, is state-of-art design environment for FPGA development focused for Zynq family. So this SDSoC tool from Xilinx is preferred for designing Zynq FPGA based embedded systems. So SDSoC is very much easier and optimized tool for Zynq development. So we can utilize C, C++ or OpenCL high-level languages for designing any system. So we don't need to know much about the hardware configuration or hardware details. So SDSoC is software defined. So it means it is defined with software. So all the things need to know about hardware is minimized. So any software engineer can also write the embedded application with SDSoC tool. So let's begin with our course overview. Actually, we are in course overview session. So initially we have download and installation of SDSoC session and getting 60-day evaluation license in the section 1 and 0. So in section first we have SDSoC development environment overview. So in that environment overview we have development flow, we have project design methodology, and we have basic lab, that is lab first. And section 2 is actually SDSoC design flow and optimization methodology. So we will talk a little bit more deeper in design flow, and we will talk about the optimization methodologies. There is pragma directives, so we will talk about pragma directives and function calls in section 2. And we have lab 4.1 of optimization of pragmas and data motion example in section 2. Section 3 is actually designing basic project and creating accelerator with SDSoC. We are going to know about the profiling in SDSoC, performance improvement methodologies in SDSoC, and we will have a lab of creating a accelerator in lecture 3 of section 3. And section 4 is design optimization with SDSoC. We are going to know about other optimization methodologies, and section 5 is debugging with SDSoC. So we will know about the debugging methodologies with SDSoC design tool. So our design can be furthermore verified using debugging tools. So after completing this course, you will be able to know about the SDSoC design environment or design methodology, and you will be able to know about the optimization methodologies like pragma directives, and you will have full idea about embedded design with SDSoC. Actually, SDSoC is utilized for embedded design. So we target Zynq SoC FPGA family, and you will able to implement and design on Zynq FPGA, and you will have debugging capability, and you will be able to create a bootable system. Actually, creating bootable system with SDSoC is quite easier. So you can just create bootable system after a few clicks. So when you write the C++ application in SDSoC menu window, then you can just build the system and you can just create the bootable system files. So you will be able to select the Zynq applications, Zynq family, and design methodology after completing this course. So guys, you can sign up for the course of SDSoC development with Zynq FPGA, and you will have lots of idea about Zynq development with SDSoC. So guys, meet you in the course, and if you have any queries or comments, you can just send us through the email, or you can just visit digitronixnepali.com or logictronics.com, and we will meet you in the course. Thank you for watching.